I'm Shaheen Renu. I study in Christ University, Bangalore, and I'm in Nagpur currently, given this COVID situation. So, Shashi Team Foundation held a session with Sri Mahendra Rangaji regarding education which leads to a happy life. The session overall was a huge success. I personally felt that it really did open up my eyes to different fields which exist, and as a student, it really gave me a lot of clarity about different things and different aspects that I need to pay attention on as a student, as an individual, to excel more towards my field. And Sir placed a great emphasis on research, which is now a really huge and emerging concept and field in India. And I feel that the way that he spoke about research and how there needs to be a lot of emphasis placed by people on this field really did make me understand that it's not just a few fields that we can excel in, but it's actually all the other fields which are now becoming more and more relevant because of the pandemic as well. And he placed a lot of emphasis also on aptitude, which I do feel really needs to be spoken about more by people who have a great influence on the masses. And he actually did that, and that really helped me a lot. And the session was really impactful for me. And I really want to thank the Shashi Team Foundation for having this session, and I look forward to attending more of these sessions because they are very informative. And given our current situation, it becomes really important to get some sort of guidance by an experienced personality.
Hi everyone, my name is Devyani and I'm from Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. The thing I learned from Sri Mahendra Ranga sir's session is how to be ready for a change and how to adapt to any situation. Another thing I learned the most is how to time manage and how to prioritize things and complete your task hassle-free. When I started adapting those things in my life, I saw a complete change, and I'm really liking the change which I'm seeing. I thank Ranga sir for giving me this advice, and I also thank Shashi Team Foundation for organizing this session.
Hi, I am Garima Singh from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, and it was really amazing session taken by Ranga sir. And I got to know that how we should always stay motivated and focused throughout our career journey. And I also got to know that how we should overcome our fear and also know our worth and always believe ourselves.
Hi friends, I am Abhishek Mari. I am from Satara. Currently I am working as a design engineer in chemical field. The lecture of Ranga sir was fantastic. Ranga sir covered all the points from the grassroots level, which helped us for the better understanding. Most of the doubts regarding the revenue services and GST was cleared by the Ranga sir during the session. Thank you Ranga sir for the beautiful information, and I would like to also thank Shashi Team Foundation for arranging this helpful session.
Hello, I'm Rani Ruparelia, and I'm from Kolkata, and I completed my graduation in Bachelor's in Media Science. So today I would like to give the feedback session that Mr. Mahendra Ranga, who is our Principal Commissioner of GST, gave the session, career counseling sessions on 6 September 2020. So his session was very interesting. Learned quite a new things from his session. He made us understand about the time management and how one should successfully deal with their problems. Gave us the proper solutions to that, which was really inspiring and motivating. He kept on telling us about the books that one should read. Okay, and he also it was really worth attending his sessions, which was very inspiring. And the way he individually listened to our problems, he gave exact solutions to that, which was quite beneficiary for all of us. That's it. And it was he created that positive energy and positive kind of feelings in us that one should have in their career. And no matter how many failures one people face, it is necessary to stand up and work and still achieve better.
Hi, I am Neha Agarwal, postgraduate from Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana. glad that I got the opportunity to talk about the session Mentor Talk, which was hosted by Mr. Mahendra Ranga sir, and I'm really glad that I got the opportunity to attend the session and hear the words of wisdom from such a personality. The way he talk about youth and he explained the importance of youth was so much inspiring and so much encouraging that encouraged me to work with more efficiency and more dedication.
Hello, myself Rashmi Gaikwad from Nabira Mahavidyalay Katol, and I had learned from Shri Mahendra Rangesh sir session that they had told us very nicely about our careers, various fields. They introduced various fields which everyone is performing very greatly, and according to them, change is very important in our life. Sir had told about the change, that परिवर्तन हर किसी को परिवर्तन करना चाहिए अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, सक्सेस के लिए. एंड ऑल्सो आई फेल्ट दैट sir, you had given the very good information about everything. You had tell everything very briefly, very nicely, and I feel that मुझे यह लगता है कि मतलब हमें आपके सेशंस और अटेंड करने को मिले. आपने हमें जो इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की है शायद ही कोई करता है. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर टू बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ शशि ड्रीम फाउंडेशन. एंड वी फील और आई फील दैट आपके जैसे सेशन हमेशा होने चाहिए. दैट यंग जनरेशन शुड नो व्हाट इज़ द रियलिटी बिहाइंड दिस थिंग्स. एंड आई फील वेरी गुड टू हैव सेशन ऑफ यू. थैंक यू सर. Great work. Well done.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepa Manwani. I live in Ulhasnagar, Mumbai, and right now I am doing my Bachelor's of Management, that is BMS, from Swami Vivekanand College, which is also in Mumbai. So one day I have attended one of the sessions by Shashi Dreams Foundation. It is an NGO, so I attended one of their session, which was led by Mahendra Ranga, Mr. Mahendra Ranga. In that he explained about how education leads to an good healthy life, and what are the importance of education in our life. So I found that session very interesting, because in that session he talked about various type of fields, various type of career options, which was I think very helpful for today's generation kids. They will getting surely idea about in different careers what are the roles and requirements one must have required. And not just this, he also explained us about the importance of skill set in today's life. Education is a must thing, but not only this, he taught us about that with education you also must have to require different type of skill set to lead a good life, to have a very prosperous life. You must require a different type of skill set. आज के ज़माने में सिर्फ एजुकेशन ही नहीं, स्किल्स भी काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, और उन्होंने हमें बताया कि हम कैसे अपने अंदर स्किल्स जनरेट कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम अपना इन्वायरमेंट के साथ हम चेंज हो, अडाप्ट करें हम इन्वायरमेंट को. सो आई फाउंड दैट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी नॉलेजेबल. काफ़ी अच्छा सेशन था. ही कवर्ड ऑल द पॉइंट्स विच आई थिंक one should know about the careers and education mainly. So this session was very helpful for me, and I recommend all of you guys to attend the sessions of Shashi Dreams Foundation. Not just this, I have attended their on the other sessions too. All the sessions are very good. They are very helpful. So I recommend you all guys to attend the sessions of Shashi Dreams Foundation, and I would like to thank Shashi Dreams Foundation for conducting such type of sessions.
Everyone, my name is Apurva Jain. I am currently pursuing Economic Honours from Delhi University. I am a part of Shashi Dream Foundation from the past 2 months. I am born and brought up in Delhi, and I would like to talk about the Ranga Sir's session, mentorship talk that held on Sunday. So it was an extremely wonderful session that gave us an insight on a career path. He gave us tips and tricks regarding the career and our obstacles that we face on our career path. I would like to encourage all the students to watch the video which is uploaded on the YouTube of our SDF page. Thank you.